Good afternoon. I was doing a demonstration yesterday with Eclipse, Connection Magic, and Bridge 3.0 on my laptop computer with my wife on her laptop computer and showing how the editing works. Today I want to talk about Bridge Mobile. I'm going to do Alt-T for translate. You can see that I've got it set up to go out to the Connection Magic server. So I'm going to click OK. I'm going to start a file. Let's call it File Bridge Mobile. Go through the process of getting the file started. Last stroke. Here's my session for Connection Magic. I'm going to put in my password this time. Make it publicly visible so that I can see it on Bridge Mobile. Click OK. Check. I've got stuff on the screen. Question: what is your name? Harry Lee. Where do you live? El Paso, Texas. How long have you lived there? I don't remember. So we have some text on the screen. What I want to do is I'm going to minimize make the text a little bit smaller, and then I'm going to take this, I'm going to throw it to the right side of the window. Now I'm going to go into, let's do Internet Explorer. And let's just stop some of the stuff from coming up, and let's just have our Google home screen. I'm going to go to connect.eclipsecat.com/test/bridgemobile.html. Let's throw that screen to the right. I have side-by-side testimony on the right side of the screen in Eclipse, and I have the Bridge Mobile on the left side of the screen. My settings are good to go. There's nothing really to set here. This is settings within Bridge Mobile. Only thing you have to do here is click on the lightning bolt, and you can see that here is Bridge Mobile, just like my file name over here. I'm going to highlight that, put in my password, the same as I did in Eclipse. Hit enter. Now you can see that I've got the same testimony on this window as I do on this window. Now let's do a couple of things here. Let's put in what is your name, please. Nothing's changed on this screen yet because I haven't moved off of this line. Let me go down one line. I'm going to put the cursor here, and I want you to watch when I move the cursor down. What is your name, comma, please? They both match up and they mirror each other. Now let's go down here. Okay, thank you is another thing I'm putting in. Period. Now let's put in comma, sir. Nothing's changed yet. But if I go down here and I push this line out, Shift-Alt-R, you notice what it just did over here. It pushed out that line even though I'm still on the line. I can go back up here. Harry Lee is my name. I'm going to put the cursor over here, move the cursor down, and it fixes the screen. Now let's say, well, what if you take something out, Breck? So let's take out just is my name and move it up and go there. You can see that the screen on the left is refreshing. What is your name, please? How long have you lived there? Comma, sir. Go down. Whoops. I forgot to put the comma over here on this side. So you can see, I'm going to go back up here. I'm sorry, put the question mark. Put the question mark, move over here where my cursor's at. I'm going to move the line up. It refreshes the text. So there's been some misconception, or maybe not an understanding of how this works. Incidentally, Bridge Mobile works on any device, iPad or iPhone or Android device that has the ability to access the internet. And if you could see my Android right here, I would be pulling it up, typing in the password, and hitting the check mark. And my Android right now, I am looking at the same thing that I'm seeing on my computer right here, except it's on my Android phone. And the same thing will happen on the iPad or the iPhone. So Bridge Mobile does work on a laptop. It works on the Android. I'm using a Galaxy S4, and it works on the iPad or the iPhone. Any device that has access to the internet, and you put in this path up here, you're good to go to get the real time on the screen and for the real time to be refreshed. The one thing that you do want to make sure of is that you go into Eclipse before you start the file, and when you do Alt-U to setup, you go to real time, and you can see I've got my choice right here. Let's just modify it. The one thing that I have to make sure of, I'm choosing the correct output, which I want it to be bridge. I'm using Connection Magic, and I have Apply Edits checked on. What you saw on the previous two screens is because of this with the Apply Edits checked on. If you're making changes to the file and it's not refreshing Bridge or the Bridge Mobile, there might be a chance you may not have Apply Edits checked. So this is much easier than it's ever been before, and I hope this gives some of you a better understanding of Eclipse, Connection Magic, and Bridge Mobile, and how easily it sets up. There's hardly any effort to do it. You just click Connect, drop down the window, and the files should be in there, and you choose the one that the reporter is outputting to. Hope that helps, and I wish you all a good day. Thanks.